Have you noticed the new changes that were just rolled out to the Facebook user interface? You may have noticed a more streamlined look, easier navigation, and just a lot more white space. Where did all this white space come from? Well, there's a lot less ads. What does that mean to digital marketers? I'm going to go over some of the changes that I saw on Facebook in the new rollout. Let's talk about how it affects you as a digital marketer. As a user, this morning, I was delighted when I saw the changes, and as a digital marketer, honestly, I was scared because Facebook is finally doing what users have been begging for years. You know what I'm talking about. When you log into Facebook, whether you're on mobile or you're on the desktop, it's so crowded anymore. There's all kinds of ads and there's updates and there's pictures, and it's like, I don't even know where to look. And honestly, as a user, I had really cut back on my Facebook viewing because simply there was just too much grabbing my attention. But as a digital marketer, I have to tell you, Facebook ads is something I still highly recommend it for my clients because they were basically everywhere. So what Facebook has done in the past week, rolling out to their beta users, which I am one of them, is they have dramatically cut down the amount of real estate that they are utilizing for Facebook ads. Facebook has realized that the user experience is not what it should be, and that they're seeing people use Facebook less and less because it's simply too crowded. You're not sure where to look, you're not sure what your friends are doing, and you're not sure anymore, is this just one big advertisement, or is this really where my friends and family are hanging out? So some of the changes that I saw on Facebook today is they have dramatically reduced the amount of ads that we are seeing, not only in the newsfeed, but within the entire Facebook interface. So what you'll notice is that the whole interaction is a lot more streamlined. When you first log into Facebook, you're greeted with a very open space. Down the center is your basic profile with all of your information. Now, you won't see any ads on your specific profile page. When you go over to the newsfeed, what you're going to see is your usual newsfeed right down the center of the page. And then on the far right-hand side, where you would see multiple ads and other listings, what I was seeing was only one ad and a couple of birthday announcements, and that's it. Now, I did see the usual amount of ads going right through the main newsfeed down the center of the page, but I wasn't seeing any kind of ads on the left-hand side or anything in the banners or anything that would really divert my attention from just viewing the newsfeed. And this is Facebook's intention. They want to keep you focused on the newsfeed, so that's where they're going to be showing you the majority of the ads. Now, this goes for desktop and mobile. The newsfeed is going to be the place where the ads are served, but Facebook is still utilizing stories and serving ads in there as well. Remember, Facebook owns Instagram, so anything you see within Instagram stories is generally the same exact way that they display it on Facebook. So we have our ads right in the newsfeed and within the story feature. So where else do you see ads? Well, when I was checking it out, I did see that they were still showing ads within the marketplace. Facebook is still labeling ads as sponsored content, so it will be clearly evident which is an ad and which is not. But one thing's for certain, Facebook is definitely cutting down the amount of ad real estate available to marketers. What does this mean to us? Real estate is just going to be more expensive because there's going to be a lot less of it. As a user, I was pretty excited with the new interface. It was a lot more streamlined, it was easier to read, and it was just prettier. I think Facebook is making some really good overdue changes. I think we're all going to have to be a lot more savvy about how we're putting our ads together, what they're saying, and really targeting the right audiences. Because the bottom line is, there's going to be a lot less places to show your ad on Facebook. Costs are going to be rising, eyeballs are going to be more at a premium, and you're going to have to make sure that your ads are saying the right thing at the right time to the right people. Not only is our audience constantly evolving, but we as marketers have to evolve as well. Your message is important, and there are people out there that desperately need your products and services. Facebook knows that. By no means are they trying to cut out advertising. I mean, it is one of their main revenue models, but they are a lot more conscious that their audience just isn't going to keep growing if they feel like every time they turn around on Facebook, they're being sold to, and they can't really find what they came there for, which is to find out what their friends and family are doing. So some of these changes are great, and I applaud Facebook for them. And other changes, I really want to see them be a lot more thoughtful. How are we going to, as digital marketers, still play in the Facebook space and make it worth our budget? Let me know what you think. Have you seen the new Facebook user interface? I'd love to know what you think of the changes. Leave them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click that little notification button on the bottom to make sure you're alerted when my next video goes up.